In this guide, we will introduce 3 effective methods to get back lost or deleted GIF images from the SD card. Part 1. How to get back GIF images from SD card with Google Photos. If you've been backing up your photos and images on Google Photos, recovering your lost GIFs is straightforward. Step 1. On your phone, open the Google Photos app. If you're on a computer, visit photos.google.com. Step 2. Google Photos automatically backs up images from your SD card if you've enabled backup. Scroll through your library to check if your GIF images are present. Step 3. Type GIF in the search bar to filter out all the GIF images you have uploaded. Step 4. Once you find the GIF, click on it and use the options to either download it back to your SD card or restore it to your device. Part 2. How to recover GIF from SD card via Coolmuster Data Recovery. Coolmuster Data Recovery is a highly efficient tool designed to recover lost or deleted files from various storage devices, including SD cards. Step 1. Download and install the tool on your computer. Then use an SD card reader to connect your SD card to your computer. Step 2. Open the software. Select the Deleted Recovery mode. Choose the partition where your SD card is located, and click Start Scan to scan for deleted files. Step 3. Once the scan is complete, all recoverable files from the SD card will appear on your screen. You can browse them by file type or original folder structure. Step 4. Browse through the results. Select the GIF images you want to restore, and click Recover to Computer to save them to your computer. Part 3. How to get back GIF images from SD card by Coolmuster Lab.Fone for Android. Coolmuster Lab.Fone for Android is another powerful tool designed specifically for Android users, making it ideal for recovering lost GIFs from Android devices' SD cards. Step 1. Download and install Coolmuster Lab.Fone for Android on your computer. Choose the version that matches your operating system, Windows or Mac. Step 2. Launch the software and choose the SD card recovery mode from the main interface. You need to link your SD card to your computer first. Step 3. After clicking Next, a list of all available SD cards connected to your computer will appear. Just check the box for the drive you wish to scan and hit Next to start the scan. Step 4. Once the scanning is over, you can preview the lost photos by clicking Photos in the left pane. Tick off the GIF files you want to get back and click the Recover.